Female firefighter crushed to death in motor vehicle crash. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A 23-year-old firefighter died from injuries she sustained in a motor vehicle collision in Angel St. Catherine. The deceased has been identified as Shaheen Nelson, who was employed to the Jamaica Fire Brigade Kingston and St. Andrew branch. Reports on the traffic department are that Nelson was driving home on Friday around 10 p.m. when the vehicle she was operated collided in a tractor-trailer that was traveling in the opposite direction. The injured woman was rushed to the hospital where she was pronounced dead. Her death has left members of the Jamaica Fire Brigade in shock. We'll have more details to come on this in a later newscast. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.